This is J&J Studio. Thank you for stopping in. We got another wonderful video for you. Here we go. Sit back and relax and enjoy.
Another J&J Studio video.
I noticed I was playing with this app right here. And just playing around. And this is what I saw. I was watching these two planes right here. Looks like everything's going okay. You can see the other planes around it. Everything. But if you watch it for a while, right here, keep on watching, guys. Boom. They lost the radar data on both of them. So did they crash? Let me know in the comments what you think, or it's just a glitch on the software. We're gonna watch that again in slow mo, and just leave me in a comment what you think. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Here we go. Right here, this is the town that crashed in. Another town. Watch it. Okay, here we go. Right here's a good distance, right there. Watch them slowly close into each other. So right here. Looks like they clip wings with each other. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell so you get the newest notification, newest videos, and share us out with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.